Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're going to show you how to turn on the options. For example, if you want all the doors to unlock when you unlock the car, or if you want the doors to automatically lock when you leave the vehicle, we're going to show you how to do that. Now this is a 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan, but this procedure is going to be very similar for other models as well, especially if your instrument cluster looks the same as this, or if you have a Volkswagen Tiguan that's based on the same chassis. So what you want to do is you want to use the buttons on the right side of the steering wheel. You have up and down, left and right, and then OK. So we're going to use left and right buttons to go to settings. Now we use up and down buttons, and we use the down button to go to convenience and press OK. Go to central locking, press OK. Here we have the option to auto lock the doors, auto unlock the doors as you get close actually. So you can turn that on and off. But here if you go down to unlock doors, and this will unlock the here have the option to unlock all the doors when you unlock the car. You can unlock the driver's door. You can unlock only the one side of the vehicle, whichever side you're going to be approaching the vehicle from. So we're going to leave this at all doors, but this is an option that you can change, especially if you have it in single door and you want to switch it back to a more convenient option, like being able to unlock all doors at once. And that's it. That's how you can change the door unlock and lock function on a Volkswagen.